Hello viewers, and you are welcome to this maths class that is specifically JAMB Mathematics. I am Mr. Aluko Temitope. I'll be taking you through this very class. The topic of focus is inverse of a square matrix. In our other videos, we have discussed about determinant of square matrix as well. So we can find the inverse of the square matrix, which you'll be seeing in this very video. Inverse of a matrix. If matrix A, you have matrix A, then the inverse is written this way as A inverse. You know, when anything is written to raise to power minus 1 is inverse. So this inverse of matrix A given as 1 over determinant of A multiplied by adjoint. This is adjoint of the matrix. How can you implement this? We have treated determinant as a topic, so you can go through that to know how to find determinant. Though we are still going to find determinants in this very video. For instance, for you to find these adjoints, what does it mean? If you are given matrix A to be this element A, B, C, D, what you simply do is you find 1 over the determinant of A, and to simplify things, as far as it is a 2 by 2 matrix, which these things are common in JAMB mathematics question. To simplify matter, just interchange A to D, D to A, and then maintain B and C in their position. However, apply minus to them. It's as simple as that. So that interchanging you did here, multiply by 1 over the determinant of the same matrix, give you the inverse of the matrix. Now let's consider how you are going to do that. First thing is you are going to find the determinant of this matrix A. The determinant of this matrix A is going to be A times D minus C times B. C times B. So this is determinant of this matrix. So you want to multiply it by just interchanging, bring D to A, element D to A to D, then apply minus to minus B and C. It's as simple as that. This now you have to make it to be 1 over the inverse, not just inverse directly, 1 over inverse. So together now, if you put this together as 1 over this inverse of A, which is AD minus CB, then multiply by what you have a D minus B minus CA. If you do this, then it will give you the inverse for the matrix A. Let's see that in practicality so that we know how to solve inverse of square matrix. We are given matrix P in this instance to be this set of elements 2, 3, 1, 5. First, we can find the determinant of P written this way. Determinant of P will be 2 times 5 minus 1 times 3. So altogether 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 should give us 7. So meaning that the determinant of this matrix P is 7. Then find the adjoint here, that is by interchanging 2 and 5 and applying minus to 1 and 3. So finally, to find the P inverse of matrix P, we do 1 over determinant of P multiplied by this adjoint, which for you to apply this, 1 over determinant of P was gotten as 7. Then what signifies the adjoint? 5 to 2, 2 to 5. So let 5 come here, let 2 be here. Maintain 3 and 1. However, don't forget, we are going to apply minus to them. So this is the inverse of this matrix P. It is as simple as that. So if you don't write it this way, you can as well write it together and have it to be 5. 5 times 1 is 5 over 7. 5 over 7. You can have this in the option, and you can also have it in this manner in the option. This is minus 3 over 7, and this is minus 1 over 7. and this 2/7. So either this or this, they signify the inverse of this matrix P. So look critically to your past questions. You'll always find inverse of matrix and also determinant of matrix that we have covered. Thank you for watching.